One person is dead after being thrown from their vehicle during a rollover crash this morning. A little before 9 o'clock, Jefferson County deputies received 2 calls about the crash and the condition of the driver on State Highway 26. When they got to the scene, they found the driver suffering from serious injuries a short distance away from the car. Early investigations showed the driver was heading southbound on State Highway 26 near the County Highway N overpass when they drifted onto the shoulder. When the driver realized and tried to get back onto the road, they hit a mile marker sign. After hitting the sign, the vehicle rolled, which is when they were thrown from it. The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office is continuing its investigation into this crash.